If you're experiencing low performance while playing Roblox, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in Roblox. Go to the settings menu in the game and reduce the graphics quality slider. This will decrease the visual fidelity but can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Close background applications. Make sure to close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources, allowing Roblox to run more smoothly. Step 3. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 4. Optimize computer performance. Adjust your computer's performance settings. On Windows, you can go to Control Panel System and Security System Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable visual effects. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're playing on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing lag and improving overall performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox performance. Enjoy your gaming.